This is a review of the Eastup headlight restoration kit. Here you see the before pictures. We've cleaned the headlights with Windex and dried them off and taped them off. And now we're fixing to use a 400 grit sanding disc to do the first part of the process. After we use the 400 grit sanding disc, we clean the headlights and switch to an 800 grit sanding disc. Then a 1000 grit sanding disc, and then a 2000 grit sanding disc. First doing the left and then the right headlight. As you can see, with each step in the process, the lenses get a little clearer. We continue to do this and finally switched to a sponge pad and some rubbing compound. We did that several passes until we removed all of the rubbing compound, and after that we applied a UV resistant liquid, some sort of varnish it seemed to be, or polyurethane coating, and then we are allowing it now to dry, and we'll see what it comes out like tomorrow. As you can see, it's a pretty lengthy process. Probably took about 2 hours altogether to do this, but considering the cost of new headlights, it was well worth doing. Would I do it again? Yes, I would do it again. And in a moment, we'll show you the results. Not perfect by any means, but certainly much better than we started off with. I received this product as a result of being a member of the Amazon Vine program, whereas I received free products to review, and I paid taxes on them at the end of the year. So, take it for what it's worth. I would use this product. I would not give you a dishonest review. If it didn't work well, I would tell you so. Also, I did not use the UV protectant that they provided. I used some turtle wax trim restorer because theirs streaked so bad that it was terrible. But all in all, it was fine. Had I applied it properly, not according to the directions, it would have probably turned out better. But this was my first time doing this, so we're learning together. I'll tell you, once we started using the buffing compound, it really started to clear up. Even after the 2000 grit sandpaper treatment, it really started to clear up compared to what it was in the first place. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I just got lucky, and they had this kit as one of the available items I could select for the Vine program to review. So I thought I'd go ahead and get it, and I'm glad I did. My headlights look a lot better now than they did before. Anyway, just keep watching, and at the end of the video you'll see the before and after pictures. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.